name is Jason Crispin, and I will be your host. I have a lovely co-host this morning, Miss Kelly Ripa. She's looking fantastic in her pirate hat. How you doing, Kelly? That's what I thought.
Ben is off. Oh, he is not waiting for anything. He is off. He's ready to sail across any sea. Look at that technique. Little left, little right. He's ready to go. Oh, I thought he was waving. Oh, wait. Does he have a... That's right. He has the sail.
Oh, look at that fire engine over there, ready to go. They're already past over halfway there. They are smart with that shield. Resilient. Flames still ablaze on that boat. Not phase one bit.
Cross. Oh, we got a little cracking, but it's okay. Here we go. And he's off. And he's off. And it's going down. The Jeffrey.
Looking as jolly as ever. Oh, the dolphin shooting it now. Oh, what do they have behind them? They have a dinosaur behind them as well. I love a good prop. And they're off.
Let's go alive! Let the colors fly!